This vehicle is the Ahorn Canada TU Plus. I'm going to do this video very quickly in under 3 minutes, even though it deserves more time than that. It's 697 centimeters in length. It'll cost in excess of 71,000 euros, 234 centimeters wide and 296 at its highest point. You see it's got a bed up here in the ceiling which will descend, and around here we can see we've got a large semi-dinette with a large table. At the rear we've got another double bed. It's got this huge rear lounge and with this really large table, and in the rear lounge we find that we've got windows all the way round, and here we've got a wardrobe currently being used for storing motorhome materials. And if I come around here, there is a toilet with a sink, an angled mirror, and on the other side there is a shower. There we go for the shower. Now there's of course a kitchen as well, and the kitchen is here. It's got 3 burners. It also has a sink with domestic drainage, and below that there is storage. The storage is locked centrally, central locking, which is quite convenient, stopping things moving around in the vehicle. There's of course a fridge as well, and the fridge has a freezer as well as one of the parts for holding bottles. Above the kitchen we will find this rather large storage cabinet. Now for those of you who want a rear lounge, this is probably just the thing. This one's got 2 lounges, and I note that rear lounges are particularly popular on this channel. If you want to see a video with more information on this vehicle, then there will be a link below. The problem with the rear lounge though is it doesn't allow for a large garage. The garage with this is quite small. So I've given you a very quick look at the vehicle, but if you want to know more, there's a link to a longer video below, and for the moment though, and in the description there's information, but for the moment, thanks so much for watching. All the best from me in Mülheim, Germany.